Auntie.
Auntie.
I am his assistant.
And another assistant. Hi.
Grandma.
Grandma. That's it, Grandma. Hi, nice to meet you guys.
Nice meeting you.
Yes. You know, my name is Mark Bowley.
Yes.
I'm the leader of the opposition. We saw your video, you know, I represent South St. Andrew.
Yes.
You know, similar communities to Coburn Gardens.
Yes.
Yeah, and seeing what you have been doing to help your fellow students, you know, deal with the challenges with education and move them up and, you know, give them a strength so that they can move forward. It was such an impressive thing that the idea was that we should meet with you and just say, you know, encourage you to keep it going, to see if what your views are in terms of whether what you have been doing could be extended to benefit others as well. How has it been so far?
Good. I'm like IMX call center.
What made you start to help out?
One of the things that I'm seeing that I think is going to help with crime and violence is social work. Yes. Yeah. Instead of you paying big companies to do the work, get persons that have that trait in the community to do so they don't have any time to fight but to live good and build their communication skills.
Yeah.
We have talented person that is going to help me out in the community because as I said about social work, what I am doing is to gather them around.
So I see you have two assistants here with you, yes? So they help you with the work you've been doing?
There are over 30 students, so I split the classes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wonderful.
So she's a literacy specialist.
All right.
And we have a math, English and social studies specialist.
Oh. And you've been doing it for 6 years now then?
Yes.
6 years. And you obviously love it. And
Yes, I love what I do.
And you have a great talent for it, you know. And your communication skills are excellent.
Yes, because I wanted, I was signing up for a youth parliamentarian post. So they say I must give myself 1 more year, but I can still be a youth advisor in the community. At school, there's a debate society at my school, so we'll have my opponents, like opposition and the government. And we will debate about things. In that club, it's an environmental debate club. I am on that side now.
And of course, environmental issues are so vital now.
Yes.
I was hearing about terrible flooding in Florida just today. You know, all this climate change is really having an impact. So it's good that our young people are showing a great interest in it because we need that kind of interest is important. So grandma, you're part of the whole organization then?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because whatever he's doing is him always saying to me, Grandma, may I go do this or so forth, and I encourage him. And I must say, his mom, because he was living with his mom, and she also do a good job because she makes sure that he's doing homework and things like that. Basically, the guidance that I give you from a tender age, me and my mom and grandparents, him follows through.
Which subjects do you like?
History and English literature and drama.
Yes. And where you think you might, when you get to be an adult and so on?
I want to be an actor.
Yes, so I can see the potential.
Yes, I want to be a politician.
Okay, I can see that.
An MC.
An MC.
And a teacher. But if I don't get anything else, I'm praying that I get a politician.